The stock market is rigged, and in this video, we're going to walk you through a 110% trade, almost $4,000 profit, trading QQQ 0DTE options using rigged AI. Now, rigged AI is a completely new way to trade options, customized system that works by something called TKO. Tradability, Komodo, and on fire. Komodo, for these two alerts at 11:29, 11:31, tells us that historically they win at 55.88% of the time. The p-value is edge, which means, hey, it is probable to continue winning at that rate. This is the best type of alert, the best type of trade, and if you took it 100% under an hour, it doesn't get better, doesn't get easier. Let's break it down. All right, people, we are looking at the 1 minute chart for the QQQ 480 call option. We're looking at 480 because when we look at these alerts, 480, that is what we started tracking. Now you'll notice they come in 11:29 and 11:31. The second one is a bull swing. That means a swing in volatility. It means price has been coming down significantly, and this could be the bottom. Okay? So the alerts come in, let me move over, here and here. By the time you even get them and see them, you're probably right here at 11:31. Now, this is a high win rate trade, 55.88%. The way that we like to take it, small position right away in case it just goes, but then we're looking at KTR. Now, KTR for the first bull bomb, because spot is 1 cent, lower than the strike price, is 86 to 95. You come down a little bit lower on the swing, 64 to 70. So when we look at that time period right after, you're filling KTR everywhere in here, 86 to 95 cents, right? And then after that, you get, what is this, 11:48? You get an absolutely perfect move higher. Even if you went somewhere in the middle, 88 cents, you're doubling, getting 100% return right here. I mean, it goes up to 205, 45 minutes, no drawdown. That's what rigged is about. And if you look at our screenshot, oh my gosh, we traded the 481 call option, not the 480. This is a little bit advanced. Let's break down why we did it. So we bought 481 instead of the 480 call option, which is the one rigged AI starts tracking. The reason why is because of tradability. Okay, this is coming in at 11:30. We are in the mix, normal mode, not really sure what kind of price action to expect, but 481 is just above the blue line. You get two alerts, big time trades. Hey, if this thing is going to go, it is going to go past 480, and we're going to get 481. Buying one strike out of the money. Worked this time, doesn't always work, but when you see a 55.88% win rate, that's going to go higher with edge, hey, for that to win, for the 480 call option to win, starting at 88 cents, you were going to have to go above 481 which is exactly what happened. Beautiful. Now this is the tough part that a lot of people make mistakes on. If you aren't looking and you're looking at trades right in here, you are late, okay? You are late to the move. Volume, white line, coming down. And what do you notice the rest of the session? Those are the last alerts that we get. See, I mean, you can trade this on your own. We switched to nightmare mode, and that's basically what this was, an absolute nightmare if you wanted to trade it. Never hitting 482, just 481, blue line ping pong. Don't get caught up in this. Go back to the notes, look, and think, hey, these are the best option alerts here at Rigged AI. Over 50% win rate with edge. Why didn't you take it? Why didn't you trade it? That's what it comes down to. And if you can fix that and always lose small, sometimes like this, you'll win big. Now, this has been a lot better. Could we have won much bigger? Yeah, this thing could have flown to 483, but they were keeping NVIDIA pinned all day. You know to exit when you get up here after a move higher, you're above the blue line, and you're not getting any more bull bombs. Wall Street is not coming in saying, hey, we're going to shoot this thing higher a little bit later on. They made their money right here. And like, just look at some of the trades that happened to make these bombs. There's no way the human brain can look at this and make a decision. But what you're seeing is puts sold at the bid, 10, 30K, 30K, 14K, 47K, tons of, oh my gosh, it's 480. They just dumped them on retail, on whomever. And not only that, but you're getting calls bought at the ask. 481. Wall Street called the bottom, tagged it perfectly. And if you're using Rigged AI, you got the alert. They do this all the time. And it wins 55.88% of the time, meaning you get 100% return. Take the money, run, no more alerts the rest of the session. Hey, tomorrow's Friday, we get to run it back. Every option is 0 DTE. Can't wait to see you in there. Keep it frosty, my friends.